plant on, harvest, and use the proceeds of her land for things that she needs to survive in her husband's home. And at the point of her death, she bequeaths that land to her son as well. Another reason is because if a woman should take over a landed property, it could disenfranchise a male son who does not have the privilege of gaining another kind of property through the father, especially if the father's resources are limited. So, in the name of fairness, what our ancestors did was to ensure that while women gained their properties through their husbands, the sons gained properties through the father. Now, another reason is our ancestors did not bequeath ancestral lands to their female daughters because these women are going to be married into another family and start another family with where she's married to. And some women could even be married to another community. Therefore, if a woman should inherit an ancestral land, that land does no longer belongs to her family, it now belongs to her husband's family, which is a problem. So mainly in situations where a man does not have a male son, they could use this practice of Ehachinwan, which means that the daughter stays back in her father's house and basically, gives birth to children. Or they can also do the practice of marrying somebody from another family into the family, and the woman stays in that family to procreate and to have children. Now, while it's common knowledge that women do not inherit landed property, our ancestors have this practice of Iduna Ono. Iduna Ono is a practice whereby women are showered with gifts and items that she would use in her husband's house. This house could range from a land or livestock or clothes or foodwares, depending on what the father has. Currently, we see families gifting landed properties, cars, washing machines, cookwares, and all those things during the traditional marriage. These gifts that are being given to these women will enable them to start their life in their husband's house. So within our culture, or primarily within Igbo culture, Iduna Ono becomes a form or a system of inheritance that is stipulated for women and women only. Men are not given any rights, are not given any sort of gifts as Iduna Ono. It is only done for women and women alone. So we could look at its aspect of fairness and equity. Women are beneficiaries of Iduna Ono.